TOO CAN CAFÉ by SOAR, Space Oddity Architect, in KHET DON MUEANG, Thailand. SOAR is an architecture firm based in Bangkok. We have renovated an old building into a workplace and cafe as a project called TOO CAN CAFÉ. In late 2019, we worked on bringing the building back to life by adjusting and improving the existing structures. We expanded the inner space and removed the front of the second floor, giving the room even more space. We also replaced the roof with transparent roofing sheet, conducting natural lighting into the building and making the scene look much lighter from the outside. Additionally, we covered the floor with bricks which were local materials. To make the indoor space feel like an outdoors, we implemented plants and trees. Further decorations were installed temporarily for versatility in the future. The building structure remained the same as we've kept the walls bare, maintaining the historical scars of the building to emphasize the past, such as some termite traces or other marks.